I'm gonna take you off the oxygen real quick, okay? ¿Dónde está el control?
El control está aquí.
Tienen la cabeza levantada para no se oye.
No, trae una ahí.
Sí, se queda con todo esto.
Ok.
Todo que viene se queda con esto. ¿Para qué usar esto? Ah, no. Ya se quedan como hoy, se pueden quedar con eso también.
Ok, deja
Ya, ok.
¿Le puedes poner el oxígeno? ¿Se lo puedes hacer?
Sí, claro.
Por favor.
¿Ahí? No, tú eres.
Sí, cúbrelo, debe tener.
¿Cuál estás usando esta?
No, el polvo, el sal.
¿Esta?
Sí.
Esta debería lavarla, no se lo debería decir.
I think it's already set to 2.
It's set to 2.
He was at the hospital. He was at 5.
It was a
Then,
5?
then go ahead and increase
And I had
it.
him at 4 in the truck.
Go ahead then. It's not going to hurt to have more.
Okay.
I'm on 4 then. However you have it.
He's still on PRN too, but whatever.
At 4.
You know, okay.
You good there?
Maybe we can lift it a little bit more, the bed.
You want to lift it a little bit more?
Yeah, I think a little bit more. Incline.
How's the height of the bed? Is that a good height?
Yeah.
Huh?
Ya. ¿Y eso cómo te lo veo?
You good there?
Yeah, that's fine.
That's fine.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
gentlemen.
guys.
You guys have
Yeah.
a great day, okay?
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you.
Oh, of course.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Roxana's on her way, okay, Mr. B? Roxana is on her way. She's coming, okay?
Yeah, I'm just going to leave these doors open for right now. Is that all right?
Um,
What do you think?
No, not a whole lot.
This is very important. I forgot. His documents, his discharge papers, and all the drugs that he's been taking, and his DNR paper, everything.
Got it. Okay, no problem.
Want me to leave the door open for a few minutes so you can see, or close the doors?